How to duplicate Virtualenv. I have an existing Virtualenv with a lot of packages but an old version of Django. What I want to do is duplicate this environment so I have another environment with the exact same packages but a newer version of Django. How can I do this?
The easiest way is to use pip to generate a requirements file. A requirements file is basically a file that contains a list of all the Python packages you want to install, or have already installed in case of file generated by pip, and what versions they are at. To generate a requirements file, go into your original virtualenv, and run. This will generate the requirements.txt file for you. If you open that file up in your favorite text editor, you'll see something like. Now, edit the line that says Django == x.x to say Django == 1.3, or whatever version you want to install in your new virtualenv. Lastly, activate your new virtualenv, and run. And pip will automatically download and install all the Python modules listed in your requirements.txt file, at whatever versions you specified.
Another option is to use virtualenv clone package, a script for cloning a non-relocatable virtualenv.
Easiest option is using virtualenv clone package. To duplicate virtualenv1 to virtualenv2, follow these steps. Install virtualenv clone in either virtualenv1 or a dummy virtual environment virtualenv_dummy. To create virtualenv_dummy. To install virtualenv clone. To duplicate virtualenv1 to virtualenv2.
Virtualenv wrapper provides a command to duplicate virtualenv.
If you are using Anaconda, you can just run. This will copy myenv to the newly created environment called myclone.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.